Hey, I'm currently in the beautiful forest, just wandering around, playing some ukulele here and there, and thinking a bit about life. And I call myself a wandering musician. I got my ukulele right here with me, and currently I'm traveling again and writing lots of songs and trying to play whenever I can, wherever I feel like it. And that's a spider net. And being a musician nowadays and investing yourself in making music is a bit of a strange thing these days. Because there's AI, right? There's music AI. And many people are asking me when I tell them, yeah, I'm actually a musician, blah, 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 blah. Then there always is this topic of AI. And if I think if AI will be the better musician just one day. And I thought about it and I wondered, I think AI is maybe already on a technical level a better musician than me. Because I'm not really that good. I'm not really that good, to be honest. And on a technical level especially, I think AI is already better than me. So why are there even people making music nowadays? And especially, why are there even people starting out with making music these days? Since there's a machine who can just do it better, especially if you're looking in the future. And 10 years from now, it will definitely be better, for sure. But then I wondered, what is betterness? Is this a word? What means better? What does better mean? Betterness. And I thought about it and came to the conclusion, I think the better music, the best music is music that moves me. Music that moves me on a deep level, that touches me on a deep, deep level. That inspires me, that motivates me, that makes me happy, has the power to make me sad, has the power to make me feel like I have butterflies in my stomach. This music that deeply moves me is the best music. And to some degree, especially for me, this is always to a certain degree connected to humanness. If a song can spark humanness in me or can let me emphasize with the humanness in this music, in this song, then it's a good song. Is this understandable? If you can feel the song as human, because it's about being human, about the beingness of human, then it is such a great song, I think. Then it's a wonderful song, because then I can relate, and I know, and maybe another human can also relate, because there's something to this song which sparks a thing that is deeply connected to being human. And when it comes to AI, I feel like we're not there yet. We are really not there yet. AI makes great music already on a technical level, at least, I think. I've visited some lessons in the university, just I think 3 times, and it was about AI and music and classic music, AI and classic music, and I thought the AI was pretty good already, especially with composing something. But at the same time, you could always hear, there's something to it that is missing, that makes me as human and the beingness of human not relate to this. I don't know if you can understand this feeling, but nowadays there are many AI songs on Spotify as well, right? And many playlists get flooded with these AI playlists, and many songs are made by AI. And so far, I think everybody noticed that these are AI songs. So for now, I think we're not there, especially when it comes to live music. I think what will be really, really difficult for an AI, is mistakes, little breaks, breathing, to have a gestic and mimic. Of course, this can be, in the future, this can be really hard to differentiate. But one thing that AI will never be is human. It will never have beingness as human. A humanness beingness. A human's beingness. Human's isness. So far my spontaneous thoughts on this. So yeah, I think start with music. Do it. Write your song. It's great. It's one of the best experiences ever. And also, why are we making music? It's also a great question, right? Are we making music to be good? Are we making music to have a certain level of being good or better than someone else? For me, I'm not doing this way. I really love writing songs, writing great songs, writing great lyrics, and trying to deliver a great message or some experience. I hope that someone can learn from this or can feel into it or just can enjoy it, smile about it, cry about it, whatever. And these reasons are all not really in relation to trying to be better than a machine. I'm not really scared that AI is just the better musician in the future. Because, wow, okay, there are so many better musicians out there. So many. Like, every musician is probably better than me, maybe. But that's not the point for me to make music. Please share your opinions and what you think about it. But for me, I want to encourage you, start music, write the song, get it on paper and sing your heart out. Because this is also, and maybe most, about you, to get yourself out there and your story and move somebody, move someone. And even maybe it's just yourself. Maybe with my songs I'm just moving myself, but that's great. I already did everything I could. Woo! Okay, goal is reached. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Really, thank you.